So this is the last example I'm gonna do for sine of x. I'm gonna solve this one here. Sine of x equals negative 0.35. And I want to do this one because the previous one we used basically the unit circle. I just want to make sure we know how to do it without using the unit circle, just using the calculator. So again, this is a negative sine of x. So we'll have to remember something that we learned from the previous video. So let's write the equation here. So we have sine of x equals negative 0.35, right? So let's think about it. As we said before, the sign is negative when it's on the third or the fourth quadrant. So because remember that the sign, okay, the sign is actually will be like this line here. Okay, all this will be the sign of whatever angle we choose. Okay, so let's solve the equation first. So again, what we're gonna do both sides here is arc sine both sides. That's what we're gonna do. When we apply this to both sides, what we have is arc sine of negative 0.35, right? Now we take the calculator. We're gonna try to solve this using the calculator. So what we're gonna do is the inverse of sine, which is the same as arc sine, right, of negative 0.35. This now it's set in degrees, so that's the answer in degrees, right? So we get, one of the answers we get is negative 20.48. Okay, so let's think, where do we have negative 20? Negative 20.48. Where do we have that? Well, let's think. Positive would be 2. So that would be counterclockwise. That's positive, right? And clockwise, it's negative. Okay? Negative 20 would be more or less, this is 45, right? So this would be 30. So negative 20 would be around here. So if we make the line, this would be more or less, this angle here would be negative 20, correct? Negative 20 degrees. So how much is the sine of negative 20? Well, more or less, as we said, it's 0.35. That means that this line here, it's 0.35, correct? Now, where are we going to have, where on the unit circle, for which angle are we going to have the same sign? Well, let's think about it. So, pretty easy, right? It's going to be, there's a symmetry in here, so it's going to be in here. When this is 20, from the axis here, it's 20, that means that this sign is going to be, again, negative 0.35, right? So if we think about it, this angle, maybe I'm going to use another color. So this angle from here to here, how much is it? Mick, where do we have Mick? Mick, it's a sleeping. Mick, wake up. Here, Mick. So what do we have to do now to figure out how much is this orange angle that I have drawn here? What do you think? I don't know. Well, think, if this is 180, right? Half a circle is 180, and we have 20 more, how much is it gonna be? 200. Yes, so this is 200.48, right? That's what it's gonna be. So that's the other solution. So we have two solutions. That's gonna be the other one. It's gonna be 200.48. Okay. Now again, this is gonna repeat every 360 degrees for each one of the answers. So we're gonna have to, the way we write it is negative 20.48 plus 360 degrees times n, and 200.48 plus 360 degrees times n. So that's how we solve this type of negative signs. Okay? Have a great day.